Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install TradingView on your desktop. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to come over to Google, you want to search TradingView download, go ahead, click on TradingView Desktop application. You're going to go down over here, you will find for Windows, Mac and Linux, go ahead and choose the operating system that you'd like to download for. Once you have done so, you will see it's right over here up in your downloads. Just give it a few seconds. It will now complete the download. Once it is downloaded, you're going to click on it to open its file location. You'll see this pop-up window over here. It is asking you to just install or cancel. Of course, hit install. As you can see here, it is now installing. So just give it a few seconds. And once that is done, you will see now it will pop up. This is it starting up. You'll now just go in over here and say sign in with browser. Of course, if you don't have an account, you can click on sign up. It'll redirect you over here. You're going to go ahead and choose your sign in option. Go ahead and click on grant access. You now have TradingView open. Within the next few seconds, it'll pop up. Let's just open it up. You can now choose your theme. I'd like to choose the dark theme. This is now just what it looks like. Just go through that. Let's make it full screen. We're going to go and now see that we have TradingView opened up. You'll also see on the top left, this is your account button. And here you can manage your account.